Billboard Philippines. Volumes.
On this episode, we go behind the music and we turn up the volume on Dilao.
Billboard Philippines. Volumes.
Billboard Philippines Volumes. Thank you, Dilao, for being here today. V, Dilao, you're on the show. All your fans are here. Make some noise, fans. All right.
What's up, everybody?
Finish the sentence. Gang.
Gang.
That's it. Okay, but for real, you guys are really special to the Philippine music scene, just overall. And anyone that doesn't understand that is crazy. There's so many elements that you guys have that take me back to what makes OPM great, but also takes it into the future. And I know I just want to get a little sentimental first about you guys because I really believe in you guys. And I'm so happy that you guys have exploded onto the scene because I know it wasn't always the easiest for you guys. And I've heard, I don't know if this is true, you can say yes or no, that at one point you guys wanted to give up.
Yeah. Even ngayon.
No, but you know, I'm glad that you didn't. You guys are touching people's lives. You guys are making people feel inspired and you're giving OPM in general new life. And I just want to say thank you for that from everyone here at Billboard. Can I get some noise for Dilao one time?
Yeah. Thank you, din. Thank you, guys. Thank you.
So, jumping into it, I know everyone knows you for Uhaw. We'll talk about that today. But I have some personal favorites that I want to jump into. So, behind the music, one of my favorite songs of you guys is called Jenny's.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Now, I want to know the story behind it. Is this a real person? Are the lyrics true? When did this happen? Who wrote it? Come on, jump into it. Let's give me the details, please. I want the real details. Huh?
Okay, ito, totoo. Kasi hindi namin masyado sinasabi sa iba yung story behind nung Janice. Sinasabi lang namin, kanta namin yung dalawa.
Kunwari lang.
Pero yung totoo nun para sa crush namin yun ni Dilao.
Ay.
Pero nauna niyang crush.
So, wait. Both of you had a crush on the same person?
Oo.
Yeah.
I love it. Okay, go. Continue.
Crush lang.
Oo.
And
Pero
then,
yung sa akin kasi crush na crush ko sa totoo eh.
Dun nga, nung pinakita mo kasi sa akin, di crush na crush ko na rin.
Crush na rin.
oh.
Ganun.
Wait. Who was first?
Siya.
Ikaw.
Oo.
Ano to, high school? Set the stage.
High school.
When was this?
Parang mga high school, tas meron akong crush na hindi ko siya kilala. I mean, kilala ko siya, crush ko siya.
Yeah.
Pero hindi niya ako kilala.
Okay.
So, hindi mo na ako creepy ano lang. Chill lang ako. Tapos sabi ko, gagawa ko siya ng kanta. Tapos, ang alam ko, sinend ko nga sa kanya. Nagustuhan niya naman.
Mga moves mo.
Mga moves mo gano'n. Yung mga, gusto magawa ng kanta.
Ay.
Sinend ko naman. Sinend ko, tapos nagustuhan niya. Tapos,
Wait, so
wala,
demo
may
to?
boyfriend
You
ka sa ngayon.
recorded it?
Ha? Hindi. Wala. Demo ba yun?
Or
hindi,
Or wala.
sulat lang. It was just writing. So, kasi hindi ako marunong
Writings
tumugtog
lang.
eh. So, nung wala pa si V, sulat lang yun. Parang letter lang siya.
Love letter.
Yeah, parang gano'n. Pero may tono. Halika rito. Gano'n ko siya na. Gusto na.
Wait. Okay, so you had the crush first. And then wait, why did you end up having a crush on the same person?
Kasi tinanong ko siya kung ano yung story behind itong song na to para makita ko yung, alam mo yun?
Angles.
Angles. Kung ano yung angle.
Hindi ko naman sinabi na angguluhan mo na pati ikaw.
Sabi niya kasi,
mo na rin.
sabi niya kasi, lagyan mo nga ng gitara to. Hindi, gusto ko malaman ko yung story behind. Para maramdaman ko yung kanta. Para maramdaman ko yung kanta. Okay, sige. Bale, pinakita niya yung letter, pinakita niya yung picture ng crush niya. Habang ginigitara ko, crush ko na rin siya. Tapos tinapos namin yung kanta. Kasi wala pang bridge yung kanta nun eh.
Wait, so you never saw her? You just like because you read the
Hindi,
lyrics?
may picture talaga.
Ay, may picture.
May
Yeah.
picture.
So, napagalat.
So, ito yung kanta, ito yung picture.
Oh.
Di ba? Inspired.
Inspire. Pero nothing happened. Did you ever end up together? Did you go on
Hindi,
dates?
Tropa na siya. Tropa.
Till now, tropa.
Oh.
So, parang ano lang yun, parang lumipas lang naman. Wala naman.
Yeah.
Hindi naman yun ako nag-focus dun. Parang hanggang ngayon, umaasa pa rin.
Oh.
Parang ano lang yun, puppy love.
Puppy
Or
love.
dog love.
Dog love. Pag medyo mature ka
Kasi
na,
medyo
dog
mature na
love.
kami. So,
Yeah.
Dog love.
No, I love that. I mean, like, it's a moment in time.
Yeah.
You can always look back to it and be like, okay, that happened. I had a crush. So did my best friend. We both crushed on the same girl. But it's a beautiful story and you can look back on it. I think another song that I really love is Kaloy.
Oh.
So like give me
Details?
yes,
Kaloy?
details. How did the song come to life?
Ah.
What's the meaning behind it? Because I have my own interpretation, but I want to hear it from you guys.
Yung kwento behind nun, sinulat namin siya para sa isang songwriting competition.
Ah.
Yeah,
Tapos,
because
in Baguio.
money.
Oh,
Yeah.
tas natalo.
Wait, what?
Ay, nanalo ng
Wait,
first
who won?
runner-up pala.
First
Nanalo
runner-up.
first runner-up, pero hindi kami yung
That
isang
sucks.
champion.
Nah,
Anyway, tapos...
you guys are the real winners now. Anyway.
Yun, yung story behind is yun. Gusto namin gumawa ng kanta na medyo para sa tao, para sa mga
Exactly.
tunay na nag-grind, para sa atin lahat na nandito ngayon.
Yeah.
Tapos yun, para sa'yo.
Thank
Diba?
you.
As super mahal yung trabaho niya,
Yeah.
ano man yan, yun lang. Yun yung trip namin.
No, I agree. From the visuals palang, I mean, there is so much storytelling in it. And I mean, if you listen to the words, it's so much more than a song, you know? It's really just like pure poetry. And I feel like a lot of your first songs had so much theatrical feelings to it. You know what I mean? Like, that was one of the first things that I fell in love with you guys about because it was just powerful messaging.
Yeah.
It meant so much more than like I'm gonna write, you know, a pop song or whatever. But I guess just talking about that, you know, not everyone can always digest messaging like that. And of course, we always need to kind of take things in a direction that are going to reach more people even. Tell me a little bit how Uhaw came to life. And why are there two versions?
Yung uhaw na sulat namin sa inuman session yun eh.
With the band.
Oh,
With the band.
With the band.
Pero hindi
This
pa
is when
band
you guys
pero
got
hindi pa siya
into
band.
started the band
Yeah,
together na.
we're
When did that
about
even
to start
happen?
pa lang
Oh,
na
go.
magbanda.
Tapos tinatanong muna namin yung mga kabanda kung trip ba nila pasukin to,
Yeah,
kung
yeah.
willing ba sila i-take yung risk na pag nag-fail tayo, magkakasama tayo.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun? So yun pa lang yun. Nung sinusulat namin
Sa mga
ni
times
Dilaw
na
yung
yun,
uhaw.
nung mga times na tinatawag namin yung band na mag-hangout para syempre hinihilot-hilot din namin sila kung na
Wala na kami pambayad sa inyo.
Please
Oo,
join
parang
my band.
ganun. parang ganun. Tapos doon nasulat yung Uhaw.
Yeah.
So wala si Uhaw sa plan. Nung napanood mo kami, sabi mo kanina
No,
sa
wala.
wala si Uhaw nun.
Exactly.
Kaloy, Janice, sila lang lahat. Uhaw, nagawa lang siya nung, kailan ba nagawa yung Uhaw?
October.
Mga ganun.
Oh, last year.
Biglaan lang siya. Parang
Oo.
bigla na lang siyang umusbong sa isip namin na hindi namin
Oo.
siya pinlano or what.
Tapos yun, kaya dalawa yung versions niya. Yung pinaka-plano namin is para ma-launch yung banda. Kaya may uhaw tayong lahat.
Okay.
So tayong lahat means
Tayong lahat,
naman
kami
lahat,
magkakasama.
Kami yun. Uhaw.
Kasama
kami
yung mga
lahat.
Yes.
tropa naming banda.
Yes. So it's like kind of like the birth
Mm.
of Dilaw.
Dilaw.
Yun.
Like Dilaw, the full band, Dilaw. That's such a crazy meaning because like if you just listen to the song, love song.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Love song. But then just like the meaning behind it is just like this is the form of what we will be moving forward as an artist or a collective.
Even
That's
the music
crazy.
video, kung papansinin mo, yun, kami lang gumawa.
Yeah.
Parang yun yung story ng Uhaw eh. Parang yun yung band namin ng banda. The band of the band.
Oh. Band.
Band.
Gang.
Yeah.
Yo, whose idea was it for the visuals?
Visual, si Via.
Oh, si Via.
Via.
Si Via.
His girlfriend.
Tapos, si Via, shinare niya sa amin yung idea. Tapos, kami na lahat nag-direct.
Yeah.
Parang ganun. Parang
I
ganun
love
yung dating. Oh.
Yes, just
Like,
like
gawin nyo lahat ng gusto nyo.
it's just
Ganun
us.
siya. Mas malaya ka eh. Parang ganun.
exchanging the ideas between the members, just letting it happen. Did you ever feel like, I mean, Uhaw is such a phenomenon. Like it's everywhere. Like my grandma's singing it. You know what I mean? It's crazy. Like I go anywhere. Like I'm in Cebu, I'm hearing it. I'm in Davao, I'm hearing it. I'm hearing it in Dumaguete. You guys just played at my school, actually. Anyway.
Oh, solid dun.
Siliman.
Was it fun?
Oh,
yeah, Siliman.
Siling.
Yeah,
Siliman.
exactly.
Sarap dun.
Saya.
How does it feel to have a song become this big? Is it something that you're happy about?
Oo naman.
Pros and cons?
Siyempre masaya. At the
Parang,
same time, siguro pressured. Pero
Pressure.
magandang klase ng pressure. Kasi kailangan yung pressure na yun para mag-push ka pa sa trip mong gawin and i-push na ituloy yung pangarap mo sa buhay. So, somehow, okay kami. Oo, parang tao rin na napapagod pero
Yeah.
masaya. Ganun.
I mean, you guys are playing shows all the time. Like all the
almost
time.
every day.
Every day. What's the most shows you played in a day?
Meron tayong
Tatlo.
Tatlo.
Tatlo?
Tapos magkakahiwalay na lugar.
Tatlo
Do you
siguro.
fly to different places and play?
Mm,
What's the craziest
Yes.
show that you've had to play and get to?
Hindi namin masyado maalala.
Meron yung
Pero
basta may involve yung eroplano.
Okay.
Involve yung eroplano, tapos kung yung sobrang layong land trip, yun yung mga nakakapagod. Tapos, ano pa ba? Yung malakas yung hangover mong bebiyahe.
Yep,
Yun.
been there.
Tingin kayo dun sa...
Hindi na tayo umiinom.
Ay, hindi na. Pero hindi kami inom.
That's good though. Wait, so you're straight edge now?
Sakto na lang.
Sakto lang.
Ako hindi na uminom.
Hindi siya
Hindi na
umiinom.
umiinom.
Ako umiinom pa rin ako.
That's
Sakit
good.
ng likod ko eh. Kasi pa-30 na ako, kaya masakit na eh.
Are you
Sila-
guys working on new music?
working? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, wait. Tell us a little bit about it. Exclusive.
Meron kaming sinusulat na tungkol sa hindi naman pagiging like rebellious. More on parang pagpapakawala ng gusto mo talaga. Pero hindi love or love one or something. Parang more on maging free. Ganun. Or parang more on nagre-reklamo ka sa mga pumipigil sa'yo. Parang
Ooh.
ganun. Or,
Okay.
yeah.
Where's that coming from?
Ewan ko din eh. Ewan namin. Minsan kasi madalas kami mag-usap ni Dilaw. Mas marami kaming jokes together. Pero kapag dalawa na lang kami, minsan yun, nagsusulat din kami ng kanta.
Is it
Parang,
like a new sound or is it like what direction are you going? Still
minsan
psychedelic?
sa sound,
Is it
minsan
still
walang tunog eh. Ay, yung sa sound na trip namin.
Yeah.
Ano ba?
Hindi, I mean yung ginagawa natin ngayon.
Yung
Ano
ginagawa
bang
ngayon?
Ano bang sounds yung...
Ay, anong
Ano
sound?
na-imagine mo? Kasi si N ngayon nagdi-discover siya
Oo.
ng...
Siguro, paano ba? Maganda kasi mag-discover ng mga ibang elements din na ilagay.
That's
na
true.
Hindi lang siya...
So
parang
right now working with the
experiment
band, like what's the relationship like when you're creating?
I think right now ang ginagawa ng bawat isa, kasi since pare-parehas kaming bago sa eksena, then yun nga, kakasabi mo na si Uhaw,
Yeah.
na bigla kaming lahat. Tinatay lang namin mas maging better pa siguro
Yeah.
as bilang individual. Kaya parang feeling ko sila, nagdi-discover din sila ng mga bagong bagay. Same thing sa amin ni V. Ako nagdi-discover ako ng kung paano pa mas mapalawak yung pagsusulat. V, ganun din. Tapos sila,
I
and
love that.
kaya saka kami mag-uusap kapag, so kung tinatanong mo kung may bago kaming ginagawa, yun yung bago namin ginagawa pala. Wala pang kanta eh. Pero andun na yung ideas.
Yeah.
Ano yung ideas?
It's just discovering more about yourself. Just
Oh,
like
same.
taking the time to grow as a person. Because I mean, you guys have been through so much so fast.
Sa napaka-iksing
Yeah, it's like
period ng
it's
time
like
na yun.
okay, we're making music, we're just sitting recording with our phone, and now we're playing sold out shows across the nation. That's insane. Do you guys ever feel like things went too fast?
All the time.
Oo din. Kasi parang nanaginip lang kami.
Pag andito ka kasi, ang bilis ng oras eh.
Oo.
Dito sa Manila. I mean, sa amin kasi sa
It's
Baguio.
true, right?
Oh,
It's
yeah.
different.
Oo.
It's like time moves different in Manila, I swear.
Oh, ang bilis,
Kahit wala kang
solid.
ginagawa.
Oo.
Kasi yung mga tao sa paligid mo, nagmamadali sila eh.
Oo.
Sa Baguio kasi chill yung buhay. So, hindi mo kailangang madaliin yung mga bagay-bagay. And hanggang ngayon, ina-apply pa rin namin siya dito. So, kami chill lang din kami dito.
I like the idea of that. I mean, it's really important to go back to where you're from.
Yeah.
And be able to like regroup, re-energize. I know you guys are saying that right now, Parang you're taking a bit of a break than from before. You just been touring the whole time.
Oo.
What's like, okay, so who has been like the biggest idol in the music scene that you've met so far that like recognized you as well? Like a band or an artist?
Ang dami na eh.
Oo.
Fanboy kami palagi sa mga
Oo,
banda
okay,
eh.
Oo nga eh.
go, go,
Siyempre,
go. Okay.
marami kami pinapakinggan na banda na idol namin dati. Like, sila Zild. Like,
Yeah.
Sila sila mga
si
bata. Pero
Zild,
siyempre sa mga old school,
sa
sila
mga old
Kazi.
soul.
Kamikaze
for
Kazi,
sure.
oo.
Oh, lalo na sila.
Favorite Kamikaze song?
Favorite Kamikaze song ko. Ay, yung favorite ko yung ano nila, Maharot album nila.
Maharot eh, oo.
Sorry,
Yung Chinelas.
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 Pwede. That's nice.
Tapos yun, yung sila Ellie.
Yeah.
Mga sa E-head.
Damn,
yun,
what was it
sila,
like meeting
Boss
them? Was it
Raymond.
crazy?
Okay, suave.
Wala lang. Parang
chill.
sakto lang.
Chill lang.
Sakto
Hi.
lang.
Yeah.
Hi, hello.
Makikita mo lang sila. Tapos, okay. Si Ellie.
Hi, hello. Nice. Keep it up. Gagana sila.
Ganun
Tapos
lang.
fist bump. Minsan,
Fist bumps.
bigay ng beer. Mag-cheers.
Yeah.
Gano'n lang.
Damn.
Chill lang din eh.
Solid. Chill lang din sila
Feeling
eh.
ko, parang, yung feeling masaya. Pero, at the end of the day, parang tao rin sila na nag-grind.
It's true.
Yeah.
So, parang nakaka-relate parang sila sa ginagawa namin
It's true.
nung sobrang kalakasan din nila. Ganun.
Is there any other things you guys want to do other than music?
Yeah.
Like,
Ano ba?
acting?
Ako gusto ko mag-act. Gusto ko pumasok
Parang
sa film.
masaya nga mag-act. Parang, iba rin yung mundong yun.
Gusto ko malang maging komportable sa camera kasi. Paano
masaya
yun?
din
Diba si West man?
Oo, talagang kahit anong anggulo eh.
Anggulo. Ako kasi sinasakto ko pa yun.
Ang gulo.
Magulo
Ang gulo pag sa'yo eh.
Yo, I think it is the time for that. I mean, I think more musicians should have the opportunity to do more things, especially in Philippine showbiz here. That would be sick. What kind of movie would you want to do?
Gusto ko indie.
Indie.
So yung mga nakakadiring setting, mga ganun. Yung mga ayaw ko kunin na roles. Mga ganun yung gusto kong challenge. Parang mga epic season, mga
Maganda yun.
roles.
Yung kaya maligo sa kanal.
Yun.
Pwede yun.
Kaya ko yun.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's, okay, so this is a shout out to all the directors out there that want to work with Dilao and V.
Yes.
We are calling you. We want to make movies with you. It's gonna be awesome.
Yun na po yung audition namin. Maliligo kami sa kanal.
Nang natural. Tignan.
Natural.
Hindi acting. Hindi halatang acting.
Mismo.
Kaya ko yun eh.
Mismo.
Okay, so with everything that you guys have going on, what's next for you guys?
Ano bang next?
Ang dami kaya natin pinaggagawang alalabas.
Hindi. Parang, paano ba? Ano bang next? Wait lang. Abangan na lang natin siguro.
Okay.
Kasi yung iba gusto rin namin like mga surprise eh. Parang may gusto namin yung element
Love
ng
that.
surprise na eto may ginagawa pala sila. Parang ganun.
Basta yung pinakadala, may ginagawa kami ngayon.
Do you guys have any words for musicians or creatives that also want to do what you guys are doing?
Strike.
While the iron is metal.
Yeah.
Kasi
I've
iron
heard
is
that
gonna be
before.
metal forever.
Metal
so
is forever.
You don't wait na for it to be hot for you to strike.
Strike it while the iron
Strike
is
it.
metal.
Yeah.
Strike the metal.
Yeah. And don't stop.
Don't stop
Don't stop.
believing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wala
Pero,
namang mawawala eh.
seryoso yun. Yun talaga.
Yun talaga.
Oo.
Yeah.
Strike
Wag
the iron is
wag
metal.
ka titigil.
It's true.
Wag ka titigil. Tapos, managinip ka ng managinip. Ganun.
Have a crush on the same girl?
No.
Magka-crush
That's not
kayo
advisable.
same girl pero wag kayo mag-away. Kasi may mga nag-aaway eh. May
That's
mga
true.
nag-aaway na,
That's true.
hindi, crush ko to. Hindi, mas crush ko siya. Mga ganun.
Yo,
Tas,
I just want to say thank you guys for being here today and, exploring these conversations with us. This has been Billboard Philippines Volumes. Thank you guys so much. This has been
Thank you.
Dilao and V.
Thank you.
Thank you.
for having
Thank you
us.
for having
Yeah.
us.
Season 2.
Season 2.
Billboard Philippines.